The Additional Director General ADG of the NCC Directorate Northeastern Region, Major General Anurag Vij, on Thursday announced that an adventure camp has been organized in Jowai, Jaintia Hills for NCC cadets from Meghalaya. Speaking to media persons, Major General Vij said the camp is designed to expose cadets to a variety of adventure activities unique to the state, aimed at enhancing their physical abilities, teamwork and leadership skills. He further stated that similar camps will be organized in the future for cadets from across the northeastern region and eventually for participants from other parts of the country. Emphasizing the significance of such initiatives, the ADG noted that the camps would help foster a spirit of unity and brotherhood among the youth, while also showcasing Meghalaya's potential as a hub for adventure tourism to a wider audience.
There is a camp we are taking on in Jowai. This camp is known as Leadership Come Adventure Camp. The aim of this camp is firstly to give cadets of Meghalaya an opportunity to do adventure, where we will be doing trekking, scuba diving, sailing, off-roading, caving, as well as other adventure activities. Secondly, they will also be doing team building and leadership exercises, where they will be taught how to be leader, take a trek, things like that. The aim is firstly to give exposure to these kids of adventure in Meghalaya. As you know, Meghalaya has lots of opportunity for tourism as well as adventure. Initially, we are only getting kids from Meghalaya for this camp. Subsequent camps we will get from all 7 sisters, so the kids can see Meghalaya, and subsequently we will do these camps for children from all over India, NCC children all over India. How will it help? It will give a exposure to all the kids from all over the country to see Meghalaya, and also in a way promote tourism in Meghalaya, and also bring national unity in our country, where people will come and see this beautiful part of our beautiful country known as India. This is a first course of its kind which we are doing. Subsequently, we will learn from this course and we will do more of these. This will also help in the economic growth of that area, as so many cadets will come. They will stay there, they will promote it through their own videos, tourism in Meghalaya. So I think it is a very good step in this.
How many cadets will be participating?
First cadets are 100 cadets are participating. They are almost 50% boys and 50% girls. Subsequently, we will be doing 6 to 8 camps of this kind, where, like I told you previously, we will have from Meghalaya, we will have from northeastern region, and also all over India. The limitation of 100 is because of the place where they can stay. Otherwise, we can give more cadets also.
Sir, you talk about leadership. Can you tell us what kind of leadership will you be
leading? As you see, these children will be staying together. When they will be staying together, they will be doing various activities. So each activity, we will have some children leading that activity. We will have some tasks for them in that activity. We will also have challenges for them to plan an activity, things like that. So this will help a child overcome his inhibitions and take on this leadership aspect. And also we will be making them talk about their states when the other cadets come in. They will also be talking about how this can be done better. So this is how we are building it.